All right, here we go. Chicken enchiladas, Gina Sunderland, Manitoba chicken. So we have our stovetop ready to go here. So let's start with the star of the show, which is this incredible cut of Manitoba chicken.
Right, so with this recipe, of course, we love enchiladas, and chicken enchiladas are tops. They are delicious. So we have about 700 grams of cubed chicken breast, a nice lean cut of chicken that we're just gonna add to the pan here, Des.
Yeah.
And this cooks up nice and quickly. And then we are also gonna add a medium chopped onion. So we're just building our delicious chicken enchilada filling here. I'll let you, oh, it smells good, Des.
I mean, it doesn't take long.
It doesn't take long. And I love just the fact that you can make these beautiful enchiladas with such a nice lean cut of chicken. Just elevates things a little bit. Did you know you can buy fresh, locally produced chicken all year round in Manitoba? Because chickens are raised inside modern, climate-controlled barns, we always have access to local, high-quality, nutritious chicken 12 months of the year. And of course, you know me, we gotta have a couple cloves of minced garlic.
I love you, Gina.
I love you too, Des. And we've got half a teaspoon of pepper. So something really nice about this enchilada recipe is that it incorporates some really economical pantry staples, like half a cup of our frozen corn, so it's thawed, and a cup of, sorry, not a cup, but a whole can of black beans that have been drained and rinsed.
And so I think with enchiladas, beans are typically, that's a standard ingredient with the enchiladas, right?
Yeah, it's a beautiful combination with chicken. You've got your beans, you've got your plant protein along with your animal protein.
Yeah, so healthy, lots of protein. You're gonna get some carbs.
And it adds a lot of fiber as well to the diet too.
I feel like we're shouting over this.
Yes, indeed.
Can you hear me, Gina?
We are cooking enchiladas, Des. And then we have 2 minced jalapeno peppers.
Oh, those are jalapenos.
Gotta love those.
Ooh,
So we're introducing just a little bit of heat. I find jalapenos are really nice, a flavor that most people can enjoy.
Yeah.
And then another pantry staple, we've got our prepared enchilada sauce. So I'm going to, this is a cup and a half for the recipe, and I am gonna add about 1 cup to our filling.
So my understanding is that you can buy this sort of pre-made enchilada sauce, right? But you make your own.
And you can make your own, and there's a great recipe for anyone that wants to make their own enchilada sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there, now it's starting to calm down. It's starting to calm down.
There we go.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. And
Okay.
so all these flavors just come together beautifully, and we are reserving this because we are going to add this to our pan of rolled enchiladas before we pop them in the oven. So I'm just going to bring that over here with us. Okay, so
I get the feeling we're going to make some enchiladas
we are going to make some phenomenal enchiladas.
Okay.
One of my favorite things, one of my family's favorite things, and just so easy to prepare. Okay, so I've already got some cooked and warmed up enchilada filling here, and I'm gonna get you to give me a couple great big dollops right in the, we had a conversation about this.
Yeah, and so, because my tendency would always be to put it on the, so let's see what you do with this, because clearly, and sort of like, so like this,
You're
is
doing
that enough?
a perfect
More?
job. Yeah, give me one more.
One more.
This recipe makes 8 nice large enchiladas, or you could make 10 or 12 if you put a little less filling. Okay, so that looks perfect.
Okay.
And
cheese
then
on there too?
I would love for you to put a little bit of cheese on there.
Well, this
about
I always overdo.
about a 1/4 cup of cheese. So we've got a Mexican 3-cheese mix. You can use whatever your favorite cheese is. Okay, so here's the little trick, and it is oh so simple. You bring that over top, and then you kind of pull back. See, we've got it all nicely tucked in there. And
She's done this
then
before.
we just roll. And we are going to place that seam side down. And you know what? Cooking is fun. It's messy. And here we go. We can do another one. And so we just put them in the pan.
Okay.
And then you see we've got all those extra cheese, of course, because we know what we're going to do with that.
I see where this is headed.
Yeah,
I see where we're going. Okay.
I'm starting to get hungry. This is so good.
It smells really good.
Awesome.
Okay.
And this is a great recipe to get the whole family involved. Everyone can create their own enchiladas. Awesome.
Okay, I didn't really do that one right in the middle, but
I think you did a great job. This is coming together beautifully.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. And what you do is you just continue going right on ahead, and you've got that half of cup of enchilada sauce. Just pour it over your enchiladas in a little bit of a zigzag, and then you got to know it. We're going to be putting more cheese on top of those.
Well, I'm going to try making my own really quick. Okay, I just want to see how this goes.
Okay.
And just one of the things that I wanted to mention also about these is that the thing I just kind of like about enchiladas, period, is that so you've kind of got, like, again, it's a texture thing, right? Because you've kind of got the softness of this guy.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to see if I do this right.
You
okay,
will
so
do a
just
great job.
fold like this. And then like that underneath, right? And
Yes,
then we
indeed.
just roll it like I'm looking at yours
You're a
as I'm doing this.
superstar. Yeah, and I love to use I love to use the flour tortillas because they're easy to work with and easy to roll. But if you want, you can also use corn.
And then yes, there's a little bit of crunch of the corn. You've got the creaminess of the cheese, and then
Here
you
we
top with a
go.
little bit more of that.
Oh yeah.
And so now we're gonna hit this with a bunch more cheese at this point.
We'll just add a bunch more cheese right here.
Okay.
But Des, can you smell something else that smells really good?
I think there's probably something hiding in the oven that we should retrieve. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get that. You can make a space there for us.
I'm gonna make you some space.
Because it's always nice to show folks what this is going to look like after you've done all the things that Gina's done here.
Oh, Des, that smells really, really, really good.
Tra-la.
And then my favorite thing to do is just to take a little bit of that fresh chopped cilantro and sprinkle it on top. Serve these with sour cream, guacamole, salsa. The sky's the limit.
It really looks absolutely.
I think we are ready to dine.
And you always talk about how these Mexican-inspired recipes are so popular on your website.
They are. Yeah, they're one of our most popular recipe categories. I just think it's something that everyone can enjoy.
Yeah, so give it a try. Let us know what you think. And of course, you can find all of these recipes, greattastesmb.ca. And so there you have it. Manitoba Chicken takes you to Mexico. Are you enjoying the trip so far? I hope so, because when we come back, we're going to do Produced on the Prairies. We're celebrating all of these ingredients that we use every week on the show. So we hope that you enjoy that. We'll be right back.